can't stand the unpleasantly wet floor after using the toilet? Introducing the Panasonic EzyClean Bidet to give you a whole new level of comfort. Personal hygiene. Say goodbye to wet bathroom floor with Panasonic EzyClean Bidet, incorporating the innovative AG+ crystal antibacterial technology from Japan that significantly raises the hygiene level of your toilet. Utilizing the long-proven antibacterial nature of silver, AG+ technology uses silver ions to inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungus. Customized design. Panasonic EzyClean Bidet features two distinct cleaning nozzles designed for feminine and family use, providing ultimate convenience and cleanliness for your comfort. The feminine nozzle features 5 tiny holes that enable soft spraying water for more comfortable cleaning, while the family nozzle features 1 hole for superior and effective cleaning action. Convenience. First, turn on the knob of your choice and adjust the volume of water accordingly. The water will then flow through the filter towards the nozzle. As the nozzle extends outwards, it will first self-clean the tip to ensure cleanliness, and then sprays the water for cleaning. Once completed, the nozzle will self-clean again while retracting to its original position. Be sure to switch off the knob before standing up. Simple installation. First, detach the original toilet seat and lid. Prepare the bolt, attachment plate, packing A, packing B and nut. Slide the bolts into the attachment plate. The holes in the attachment plate will allow flexible adjustment for the bolt to fit into the toilet's sockets. After that, slide the attachment plate into the guide rail at the bottom of EzyClean Bidet. Then slide packing B into the bolts until it touches EzyClean Bidet. Insert the bolts into the sockets on the toilet. Adjust the bidet accordingly. Then slide packing A and nuts into the bolts and tighten it. Now it is time to install the filter unit and junction water plug. Filter unit is to be installed underneath the controlling knob. Push the loose end of the filter unit up firmly and turn it anti-clockwise until it is tightened. Insert the rubber ring from packing C into the junction water plug. Then attach the appropriate water valve or hose. On the other end, connect the flexible hose to the filter unit. After connecting the hose to the filter unit, the Panasonic EzyClean Bidet is ready to use. Regular maintenance. To prevent the nozzles and filter unit from clogging, it is advisable to clean them with a toothbrush once a month. Panasonic EzyClean Bidet provides exceptional cleanliness, easy to use, install and maintain, elevating your bathroom experience to a whole new level.